Okay everybody, welcome to the Diamond Express Diamond Painting Studio, where we are going to do sealing of sea turtle. I've been using this right here to help me focus on going over the whole diamond painting. It's a 60 by 60 and I'm using my tray to fill in places where we've lost a diamond, we have an open square, etc. And this just helps me focus on area by area. We're done with that. That whole process took about an hour and a half to 2 hours of good focus. I also did a lot of straightening, so we're not going to need this to do sealing. I just wanted to show you some of the prep work that went into this thing. I also went over it very closely and removed any extra wax, any hairs, anything else I saw. And then I did a lot of rolling. I just noticed, and this happens all the time, I just noticed we have one extra diamond that's missing. Well, there's probably more than one, but that goes right there. And there's a lot of prep work. The reason I'm showing you this, there's a lot of prep work that goes in before you do the sealing of your diamond painting. So you want to get the diamonds as tight as you can, fill in any of the loose diamonds, remove extra diamonds, find the upside down diamonds, and roll it as much as you can to get everything. The Mod Podge that we're going to use is the Brilliant, okay, and it says Brilliant on it, and it says to use a brush like this, but I've also used a brush like this. So I've also got a wet rag that I'm going to use about 5 or 10 minutes after I've applied the sealant to remove extra sealant off the top of the diamonds and let the sealant get in between the diamonds. So roll your sealant like this. I also shook it up a little bit, but it also says to roll it for a good mix. And then I just apply liberally to the diamond painting and then start smoothing it out across the canvas. So you can pour it directly on here like this, and I'm going to go section by section, going lightly because I don't want diamonds popping up while I'm doing this. And I'm just taking my time and making sure I get the upper corner and coming right down the edge. And so just going lightly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed up the film for the rest of this, so you don't have to listen to me say just go over it lightly, etc. for this whole diamond painting. Okay, we've applied the sealant very liberally. This was not a full jar when we started. It was probably about halfway done. Again, this is a 60 by 60, so it does use a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and start removing the excess with a wet cloth, and I just kind of dab and gently go over it just to take it off the top. I still want the sealant to be in the side of the diamonds, And I want to do this lightly so I don't take any diamonds with me. You can see I took one with me. I'll try and find out where, I see where it is, so I'll put that one back. But I'm just trying to take off the top so I keep the shine of the diamond painting. All right, now we let it dry for 2 hours.